What's up, everybody? We're coming to you live from the Griddle Dojo. I'm Nick, and this is the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time here, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do on the network. On today's episode, we're doing buffalo chicken sliders on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle up. Our ingredients, we've got chicken tenders. I've got them seasoning and Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch. If you haven't used this, I definitely recommend this, especially for this cook. This seasoning is absolutely fantastic. The sauce we're going to be using is Blackstone product, the Blackstone Creamy Buffalo. We'll toss them in there. We're going to add some blue cheese crumbles. We've got scallions to mix in there as well. We're going to do them on Hawaiian roll sliders. These will get buttered on top and bottom, and I'll garnish the top with a little bit of sesame seeds. We've got our butter melting right there, and we'll be using provolone cheese on both sides of the chicken, top and bottom, to get a nice melt of cheese over that. So let's get this chicken on our griddle top. My temperatures are set right about dead middle quarter. It's not a high heat, right around 375. So let's get this chicken on here. I'm going to cook the chicken first. We'll toss it in sauce. And this is going to be a quick and fast cook, and should be pretty tasty as well. We'll find out at the end. You can already start to smell that seasoning. It's been on there for about an hour or so. You can just, smells really good. Again, I definitely recommend that Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning. Very inexpensive, easy to get at most of your supermarkets. All right, while our chicken's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put this up on our rack here. I'm going to go ahead and add our Blackstone Creamy Buffalo sauce. And we're going to toss it in. That should be plenty. If we need more, we can always add more. I'm going to put in a little bit our scallions. And our blue cheese crumbles. All right, let's get this chicken flipped. So while our chicken is finishing up, before we throw it in the sauce and get it nice and tossed up, one thing I wanted to mention to you is we launched about a week or so ago a new website. It's an affiliate website through Amazon and Walmart. Through there, I've gotten all the best griddle accessories you can find, the majority of Blackstone products. I've pulled it all into one website, a one-stop shop for you guys to be able to go to and check out. Again, I'm an affiliate member. I do make a small commission off of it, but I do not set prices, so really appreciate your patronage. You can find it at www.griddlefoodnetwork.com. It's that simple. So for those of you who've already been there, there's already been some sales going on. It's really been taken off, and I'm really happy about that. So I thank you again. It means a lot to me, and of course, all you subscribers, that means a lot to me as well. All right, so our chicken is done. I'm just going to thin these up. All right, so our chicken is good here. We'll go ahead and get it into the sauce. This rack here, it's available on the website, but I got to say this works great. And I mean, already the heat obviously rising from the griddle top, steel here, so it's getting warm. So you get your sauce nice and warmed up. Get our chicken in here. It works out great. One thing, it's kind of at an angle until you add weight to it. So if you put light food, burgers or whatever on the back, the grease will run and drip off the back. That's one thing you want to monitor, but it shouldn't be a problem. All right. Come on, let's flip it up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it go, get a quick sizzle on it, put it back in there just to get that on the griddle. All right, quick there. All right. And there we go. All right, so that is ready. Set that right over there. Get this griddle top cleaned off. Then we'll go ahead and prepare our Hawaiian rolls, get them covered, baked, cheese melted, and try them out. All right, our griddle top is cleaned off. We are ready to dress up our Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to do a little bit of butter on the inside of each, put them down, get a quick toast. Then we'll pull them and put it on our baking rack here. I'll go over the top of the Hawaiian rolls with some butter, some sesame seeds. I'll cover it. Once that's set, pull the cover, take them off, and they should be done. Got our little butter right here. Normally this is the butter roller, but I took the roller out. I'm not going to use a lot of butter here on the inside. All right, so we'll do that one like so. And so that's perfect right there, nice and toasted. In fact, I'm not even going to put that until we're ready to put it on the rack. So I'll just set it right there. And this one, we'll go ahead and do the same thing, a little bit of butter. Okay, set that down there. Get that going. And now we've got our cheese. We've got provolone cheese. Perfect. There we go. Nice and toasted, not a lot. Exactly what we need. So we'll start on this one here since I've got it on the spatula. 6 pieces on each, top and bottom. So there's going to be our top piece, so I'll go ahead and we'll just, for the time being, we will move this right here. Okay. Cheese. 6 pieces here. I was able to use 1 12-pack of provolone cheese. All right, so now what we're going to do, set this right on the middle here. That's our base. Thank you, butter. Move you right there. And now we've got our chicken with the creamy buffalo sauce, scallions, some blue cheese crumbles. We have the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning on the chicken. Yes, and the crowd goes wild. My burners are set to low in the middle, off over here on both ends are off. Okay, so good there. Take our top and we're just gonna that's delicious. This is gonna be a winner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and give a little bit of butter over the top here. And we will do a little bit of sesame seeds. Okay, not too much. Move you back over here. And all we're going to do is take our dome. We're going to cover it. I'm going to add a little bit of water to get some steam effect. All right. Give it about a minute or so, then we'll pull it they should be good to go and put on the cutting board. All right, it's been a minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. They look absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to get these off the rack, get them on our cutting board, and then we will give them a try and see how they are. Our buffalo chicken sliders are done. They look excellent. They smell great. Obviously, you saw that piece of chicken I swiped off the griddle that fell off. Again, we used our Blackstone creamy buffalo sauce. Let's go ahead and get right into this here. All right. Put you right here. Corner piece. Oh yeah. Cheese on both sides. Looks great. Smells great. Now it's time for that test. Let's go. Let's go. This is fantastic. Absolutely delicious. It's an easy cook. You guys, you definitely, this is something, if you haven't made yet on your griddle, you have to try it. You will love it. Your family will love it. I mean, who doesn't love buffalo chicken anyways? Now you got sliders. Great for family events, out by the pool or in the backyard, birthdays, whatever, family gatherings, it works. This is great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cook. Leave your comments below. Smash that like button. I'm Nick. These are buffalo chicken sliders on the Griddle Food Network. Griddle up.